Hello everyone, today we are starting the new lecture series on Android. So Android, if you are searching in Google, the Wikipedia has given this particular definition. Android is a mobile operating system based on modified version of Linux kernel and other open source softwares, designed primarily for touchscreen mobile devices such as smartphones and tablets. Android is developed by consortium of developers known as Open Handset Alliance and commercially supported by Google. So it is initially developed by a set of developers and then it is supported by Google. So this definition you can find in the Wikipedia. Next one, Android Studio. So Android Studio, this is the definition I have taken from the Wikipedia only. So it is an integrated development environment for Google's Android operating system, which is built by JetBrains IntelliJ IDE and designed specifically for Android development. JetBrains, they have developed this particular Android Studio and it is supported by Google for developing the Android applications. It is available for Windows, Mac as well as for Linux operating systems. Initially, Java Eclipse has been used for developing Android development tools. So from 2015 onwards, Android Studio has been released by Google and nowadays there is no support for Eclipse development environment. What are all the system requirement? The main one is processor which supports virtualization technology. Then only you can able to install emulator. Otherwise also you can develop, but you need an Android device for executing your programs. Next one is RAM. Minimum of 4 GB it is needed, but as per my recommendation it is 8 GB is good and you must have a good internet connectivity. Then the setting of the Android development environment, first you need to install Android Studio, then you need to install one SDK and you need to create emulator or you must have one Android device for executing Android programs. You can download the Android Studio from this particular website developers.android.com/studio. So you are having the Android Studio download option here. I am using Mac. It is showing the download for Mac operating system. So if you are using any other operating system like Windows 32-bit or 64-bit or Mac 64-bit or Linux 64-bit or for Chrome OS also, nowadays they are supporting. So you can install on any of the operating system which you are using. Once you are downloading, just open the system, it will extract. While it is getting downloaded, you must have a good internet connectivity since it will download most of the things from the internet only. So once the installation has been over, you will get this particular screen. Next, at least one SDK you must install for the development. In this particular window, just select configuration. You can find SDK manager. Just click on it and make sure at least one has been installed. So already I have installed Android version 10. So that is the latest version, and Android version 11, Android R is on the development stage. So those who want to contribute for Android R, you can install this one. In the next tab and SDK tools, so here also there are some of the tools are available. So it is not needed to install now, but when you need it, as per your requirement, you can install. And last one is emulator or real-time device. So how to set up the emulator? In the same configuration you click on, you will have AVD manager, that is Android Virtual Device Manager. If you click on it, it will show you things. So just click on create virtual device. Whatever you want, you can select already which is existing. So if you are developing for TV, just click on TV, and if you are developing for phone, just click on the phone, or the same thing for Wear OS as well as for tablet for automotive. So automotive is for Android Auto that is given for some of the devices. Now I am selecting phone and I am selecting Pixel XL. Click next, and already I have downloaded one particular image and then click. So here if you have not downloaded anything, just download any one of the operating system and then click next and then finish. It will create the Android virtual device. Once it has been completed, just start a new project. Here it will give you the activities. So this is going to be shown to the user. So I am selecting empty activity. Click next. Here it will ask for the name. So this is very important one. So I am giving hello world, and here it is default, it will give you com.example dot whatever things. So here you must give any specific package name. With the help of the specific package name only, your app has been identified in the Play Store. So if you are not giving any unique name, then it will be creating some problem. Also, if you have com.example, then also while you are publishing, it will not accept. So better you give some specific name here and then select which language you want to use. So Android currently supporting two development languages. One is Java and another one is Kotlin. So Kotlin is Java virtual language. So it is based on the Java only. So I am selecting Kotlin. Just click next and finish it. The Android development environment will look like this only. The left hand side you can see all the development folders. Initially it will take some time. Bottom you can see there are two processes running. So once it has been completed, you can start developing your application. So once the setup has been completed, you will have two files here. One is activity underscore main.xml. Another one is main activity.kt. In case if you are using any Java file, you will have main activity.java. In XML file, you will use all the user interface component design. In Kotlin file, you will develop all the functionalities. So that's all for this video. Thank you.